guys, mayroon tayong titikman dito dahil ito guys yung Bewarts apple cider vinegar gummies support overall wellness with the mother metabolism boost support weight loss 60 gummies dietary supplement to siya guys, parating lang ito. Mayroong sub 60 juice for optimal result 2 to 4 gummies a day. You cannot get enough taste. You can enjoy gummies per day. Calories, total carbohydrate, mayroon sugar. Ingredients: apple cider vinegar, organic beetroot, pomegranate, vitamin B9, vitamin B12, organic tropicana syrup, water, organic cane. Ito, at saka so on so forth. Marami ito siya guys. At saka may ano siya guys, may libreng vitamin C. Na maliitin pieces siguro ito siya guys, vitamin C. Naghalaga ng 200 pesos. Ito siya guys. Sa atin ang buksan. Ito na siyang buksan guys. Ayan guys, oh. Gummies. Ito siya yung laman. Manatin yung green. Hindi mo siya maasin guys. Isang gummy bear. Naman siya guys ang vitamin C. Ano siya guys, ito parang fish oil na vitamin C. Ayan. Siya guys. Ito yung free. Ito siya guys. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ito yung review natin sa apple cider Bewarts.